Have you ever wondered why your tomatoes don't turn out as juicy and flavorful as you hoped? It's not bad luck. It's probably a mistake you don't even realize you're making. Today, we will talk about 7 common tomato growing mistakes that are ruining your harvest, and the last one is a total game changer. So stick around. 1. Planting too early. We get it. You're excited to start growing. But planting tomatoes too soon is a big mistake. Tomatoes hate cold soil, and if the temperature drops below 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius, they'll stall out and struggle all season. The secret? Wait until the soil is at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Celsius before planting. You'll get faster growth and healthier plants. 2. Planting. Too shallow. Most plants don't like being buried deep, but tomatoes? They love it. Their stems can grow extra roots, which makes them stronger and more productive. When transplanting, bury at least 2/3 of the plant. Yes, even if it looks a little strange at first. More roots equals a sturdier plant and more tomatoes later on. 3. Overwatering or underwatering. This one confuses a lot of gardeners. Too much water? Your tomatoes get weak and prone to disease. Too little? They stop growing. Here's the key. Deep watering twice a week is way better than daily shallow watering. And always water at the base, not on the leaves, since wet leaves equals fungal disaster. 4. Not pruning properly. If your tomato plant looks like a jungle, it's wasting energy on extra leaves instead of fruit. Those little shoots between the stem and branches, they're called suckers, and they suck nutrients away from your tomatoes. Pinch off the lower suckers to improve airflow and redirect energy to the fruit. But don't overdo it. Tomatoes still need leaves for shade. 5. Using the wrong fertilizer. This is where a lot of gardeners go wrong. Too much nitrogen? You'll get huge, beautiful leaves, but barely any tomatoes. Instead, go for a fertilizer with more phosphorus and potassium. These help with flowering and fruiting. And for an easy calcium boost, crush eggshells and mix them into the soil to prevent blossom end rot. 6. Forgetting to support your plants. A weak tomato plant won't hold up all that heavy fruit. If you don't support it early, the stems will bend and break. Use stakes, cages, or the floor-to-weave method to keep them upright. Bonus tip: start staking when the plants are still small. Waiting too long makes it way harder. 7. Ignoring companion planting mistake. Tomatoes don't like to grow alone. Basil, marigolds, and borage help repel pests and can even improve flavor. But some plants are bad neighbors. Keep tomatoes away from potatoes and fennel, which compete for nutrients and stunt growth. There you have it. Those were 7 mistakes that might be ruining your tomato harvest. Avoid these and you'll get bigger, tastier, and healthier tomatoes every season. Which mistake have you made before? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more expert gardening tips. See you in the next one.